Hello, my name is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. It is December 23rd, and we are really, really close to Christmas Day. Whether you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, something different, or maybe nothing at all, I hope that this month you've taken some time to think about why Jesus came and why that was so important to you and to me. I want to take a peek at Zoe before we talk about that anymore because she is getting an invitation today from Rachel to go on a Christmas Day trail ride. Now, you and I know that that trail ride is going to have a surprise for her, but she doesn't know that. She's always up for a trail ride, though, so I'm pretty sure she'll agree. We have been talking about the power of choice and how God gave us good choices and bad choices. We could go either way. We can make a choice. And we've talked about how good choices lead us into light and life. And then those bad choices can bring that darkness into our heart. And Jesus came, like we talked about yesterday, because he is the light of heaven, and his life is the only thing strong enough that in a moment can wash away all of that darkness, can clean it right out of your heart. That's whether or not you've made a bad choice that's hurt you or someone else, or someone has made a bad choice that hurt you. We talked about that with the children of Israel a couple of weeks ago, how they had the Egyptians were making bad choices against them and made them slaves and really hurt a lot of them. And the Israelites had to forgive the Egyptians for those choices. And you and I can forgive too. Forgiveness is just as powerful, us forgiving someone else, as God forgiving us. Now, when people hurt us and we forgive them, it doesn't mean that it takes all the pain away. And it doesn't mean that we just have to trust them to never do it again. Because sometimes that's hard to do, because like we said in Romans 3:23, we all make bad choices, right? But what that forgiveness does is it tells God, God, I want to walk in your light. I don't want to live in the darkness of their bad choice. So I'm going to forgive them, and I ask that you would take the darkness of their bad choice away from me, and that you would help me to live in the light and the life of God. And that forgiving other people is so important. Jesus talks about that in the Lord's Prayer that we read about in Matthew. And you and I can forgive people when they hurt us, just like we ask forgiveness when we make bad choices. And both of those kinds of forgiveness help move darkness away and bring us over into the light and the life of God. Now, tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and tomorrow we are going to talk a little bit more about Jesus. Jesus is so fun and he's so cool, and I can't wait to tell you a little bit more about him. But for the rest of today, let's check out our Breyer Advent box. Look at this, guys. We only have one more box left after today. Let's see what's in 23. Oh, water trough. Well, I didn't even realize we didn't have any place to put water for the horses. That's kind of important. And a little bitty trophy. Looks like maybe one of these horses won an award somewhere. We may have a racer amongst us. All right, we are going to head out for today. Everybody is busy getting ready for Christmas and getting ready for Zoe's big surprise. So we're going to let them be, and we will check back with you and check back with them tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go to Advent Day 13 and write subscribe in the comments, and that way you will be entered in our drawing for the Breyer Hope of the Year horse. All the details are there. Thank you guys. We'll see you later.